Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy A02s using Odin app without data loss. Okay, so first let's check the version of the software that we currently have. Open up the settings, scroll all the way down until you find About Phone. When it comes to the exact model number, you can take a look on it right in here. It's SMA A02 in my case. And now go to software information. And under our build number, we have our software version. In my case, it's A02 XXS8CXH1. That's the version that I have. And when it comes to Samsung devices, we need to remember about one thing. When you want to flash or update your software version, you need to know what is your current, because it's impossible to install the older version than our current. We can install the same version once again, or every version that is above. Basically, in this video we want to perform an update, so we want to have newer version. But in my case, that's already the latest version that has been released on this device. So I'm about to install it once again. But in your case, if you have older version, follow my steps. And now, once we know our version, we need to power off our device. So hold the power key and click on power off. Now, open up your browser, visit our page, HardReset.info, go to download section, and in here we gotta type Samsung drivers, then click on search, select these drivers on the right side and hit the download button, then go back, type Odin, click on search, select the latest version, 3.14.4, and also hit the download button. Then open up a new tab and type SMA A02 firmware. I highly recommend to use that page, samfw.com. Open it up. Now keep scrolling down. In here we have a bar, and in here we gotta type our country or the CSC code. I have the Polish version, so I'll type Poland. We got a 4 version of the software, and I'm about to select XEO because that's the non-branded version. And when I'm saying non-branded, it means that it's not branded with the mobile operator. And now keep scrolling down, and in here we have all version of the software. As you could remember, I had this version, and I'm about to flash it once again. So select the version that you want, and then we gotta download the software. We have 3 download links. Let's say that I'll pick the one in the middle. And then hit the download button. Okay, in my case everything is already installed. So now, open up the downloads folder on your device, on your computer, and now we gotta extract those 3 files: our software, Samsung drivers, and the Odin. You can use WinRAR for it. Right click, WinRAR, and extract to. If you don't have the WinRAR, you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. And now, open up the folder with the Samsung drivers, and you gotta install them. In my case, everything is already installed, so I'm not going to install it once again. But in your case, if you are installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation, so thanks to that, everything will work properly. Okay, now open up the folder with the Odin and launch the program. Click on OK. Now we need to enter the download mode on our phone. To do it, hold both volume keys at the same time. And now insert the cable. Don't release volume keys yet. Wait until you see this many. Of course, the USB-C cable needs to be connected to your computer also. Now click on volume up, and we are in download mode. Also, in the Odin app, we can see that our phone has appeared as those numbers, and it's really important that you need to see them. If you see them, it means that our phone is successfully and properly connected. Now go to BL, go to downloads, open up the folder with your software, and we have clicked the BL button, so select the BL file, double click, wait until it loads, then go to AP, select the AP file, This one is going to load a little bit longer because that's the biggest file, so we gotta be patient and we gotta keep waiting. Now the CP, select the CP file. Now the CSC, and it is really important that you need to select Home CSC file, because if you select normal CSC, your phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased. We don't want that, we just want to update our software. So that is why we gotta select Home CSC. And now if everything is loaded, click on Start. The whole process will begin. We can take a look on it right in here that it's going. Now we gotta be patient until it goes to the opposite edge. So I'm about to mute the microphone and we gotta wait until it's updated. Okay, we can see in the Odin app that it says pass. If you see that, it means that everything worked perfectly. Don't worry that it said erasing. Nothing is being erased. You don't need to worry. We can also unplug the cable. We can close the Odin app. We can actually close everything. We won't be needing it anymore. Let me go to the full screen also. Okay, and now let's wait until our phone turns on. Also, I will show you where you can verify the version of your software. Actually, we'll do it in About Phone, just like in the beginning of the video. But let's keep waiting until our phone turns on. The home screen should appear at any second. Just like that, nothing was erased. Our phone has been successfully updated. And if you want to verify the new version of your software, go to the settings, scroll all the way down, About Phone, Software Information, and in here you'll be able to verify the version under build number. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.